Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're unboxing The Witch's Roots for April 2022. Super excited. This is one of my favorite boxes. All right. Intuition. Lovely. Let's see what the theme is. The Fairy Passage. Right, we'll put this aside. Beautiful. Rose hips. Lovely. All right. So here they are. Rose hips, excellent source of vitamin C. You put it in tea. You can use it all manner of ways, but I've just been, you know, on a homesteading journey, and I live in the Pacific Northwest. So one of the main things you want to think about is, you know, how are you going to eat if we have another disaster or whatever, shortages and whatnot. And one of your main nutrients, especially with little children in my house, is vitamin C to prevent scurvy. And so it's really interesting because obviously I don't grow citrus. I have citrus trees that I keep in the house in the winter, but they haven't borne me fruit in a while. So if you need vitamin C, rose hips is a good option. Twinkle offering. That is pretty cool. Let me smell what it smells like. Sweet, like candy. We've got our incense here. Spring Awakening. Nice. Oh, we've got a little deck. Forest Fae. I love these little mini decks. I use them as like an extra sounding off point. So that's kind of nice. I absolutely love them. What do we got here? We've got, oh, please get out. There we go. We've got a little crystal. What crystal do we have? Oh, this is pretty. That looks like tourmaline right there. So let's see what it says. And then we've got our candle. Ooh, lovely. Lavender. It's a nice pale kind of mauve covered in lavender buds. Absolutely delicious. Smells delicious. Wonderful. Alright, let's get our Dealy Bobs in our bag for Dealy Bobs over here. Get our box out of the way. Hopefully we'll just scoot everything up so that you can see the contents in all of their glory. Lovely box. Alright, let's read the insert. As Ostara passes, spring begins to bring fresh and vibrantly new energies to our surroundings. This is not just another spring, but the newest spring, full of unbound potential and opportunity. It is so important not to make the mistake of viewing the seasons as a recurring occasion, but rather a one and only experience of unique and wonderful gestures. If you take the time to slow down during your busy days, you will catch a glimpse of or a message from the Fae fluttering nearby. As with most practitioners that are connected with the natural elements of this world, you will most likely have potted plants, herb gardens, trees, or small ponds nearby. These pockets of nature hold on to untold powers of magic, feeding our spirit during our rituals and meditations. In this celebratory collection of spring, we work within our relationship with the fairy, offering our gestures for small bits of guidance and companionship. The magical items in this box are as follows. Rose hips. It's the fruit of the rose bush. It can also be called a ha. Generally harvested following the first frost. Reaches maturity in the fall. You will often find rose hips blended with hibiscus to make an herbal tea blend that's rich in vitamin C. It has a lot of similarities in energetic properties to roses because they are on the rose bush. So, healing, self-love, prosperity, beauty, and peace. Very cool. Rose hip artwork. Forest Fae enchantment desk. I love these. I'm so excited. W.B. Yeats Book of Shadow artwork. artwork page. Twinkle Offering Oil. Let's see. Lang Lang Jasmine with lavender and dandelion leaf, Lumarian quartz, and their fairy magical oil. Plum Blossom Tumbled Tourmaline. This is quite lovely. Quite lovely. Spring Awakening Ritual Incense Sticks. A Fairy Passage Mini Spell Candle. Rolled in lavender buds and anointed with jasmine, lang lang, and lavender oil. And a personal oracle reading from the Fairy Guidance Oracle. Just a delight. Always is. I love this box. If I were to get rid of every other box, I would keep this box just because I just love the quality, the price, and just there's a never ending supply of herbs to look into, to explore, to learn about. So that is that. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.